Hello guys, welcome to my new channel Nani Math Tekken. Today I'm going to explain you all the class 10 CBSE NCERT exercise 13.2, that is from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13.2 fourth sum. The question is, a pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with four conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeters and the depth is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So, let us write the information given in the question, that is, the pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid. So, first let us draw a cuboid. Let us draw the top part of a cuboid for a good view. This is just a rough figure. This is the top part of a cuboid. It's given that there are four conical depressions. So let's draw some cones. The top of a cone is a circle. So let's take them. This is a top view of the pen stand. And so now let's write the info. Given that the dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. So let's write the dimensions of the cuboid is equal to 15 centimeters into by 10 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. So first let us find the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, the formula is L into B into H, and all the values of L, B and H are given. So let's multiply them and check the answer. So here we go. 15 into 3.5 into 10 is 35. So let's perform some rough task at the right side end of the paper. So 35 into 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, and then let's add 2 and we get 175 into 1 5s are 5 and 1 3s are 3. So 5, 12 and 1 goes here, carry 4 and 5. That's 525, and don't forget the units. It's centimeter cube. And given that the dimensions of cuboid we have written, and the radius of each depression, that is the conical depression, is 0.5 centimeters, and the depth, that is height, is 1.4 centimeters. So let's write the information. So there are four depressions. So let us write for the each depression. Radius of each conical depression is equal to, it's given that 0.5 centimeters. So then let's write the depth of each conical depression is equal to 1.4 centimeters. So this is a height and this is a radius given. So now let's find even the volume of a cone. Volume of cone is equal to, do you guys know the formula? It's 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi represents 22 by 7 or 3.14. and radius is given here 0.5 centimeters, and the height, that is the depth of the conical depression, is 1.4 centimeters. So let's substitute the values. 1.3 into, let's take pi as 22 by 7, and radius given 0.5 as it is square. Let's take another 0.5 into 1.4. So let's cancel 7 into 0.2. Let's leave the calculation. So it's 22 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.2 divided by 3. So let's perform some rough here. 22 into 5, that's 10. 5 2s are 10, and it's 110, and 5 0 5 into 2, it's 0 10. 5 2s are 10. So here we go. Here there are 3 decimal places, 1 2 and 3. 1 1 0 0 is the 3 decimal places, 1 2 3, which is equal to 1.1 by 3 centimeter cube. But it's given in the question that there are 4 depressions. So let's multiply the volume of each depression to 4 so that we get the volume of 4 depressions. Volume of 4 depressions is equal to 4 into, and the value we got of each depression, that is 1.1 by 3 plus 4.4 by 3 centimeter cube. So in the question we are asked to find the volume of wood in the entire strand. To find the volume of wood, we need to subtract the volume of cuboid minus the volume of 4 depressions so that we get the volume of the pen stand, that is the volume of the wood. So let's go. So to get the volume of the wood is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 conical depressions. So the volume of the cuboid is, we got 525 centimeter cube, and let's note down here 525. Let's leave the units here, and the volume of 4 conical depressions is 4.4 by 3, that's 4.4 by 3, which is equal to, so let's first take the LCM, that's 5. Let's do some rough here. 5 to 5 into 3, that's 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that's 7, 3 5s are 15, that's 1575 minus 4.4 by 3. We got the LCM. So let's subtract 1.75 minus 4.4. 4.4, and here we got a 0. Here when we bring 10 here, we get a 6, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and we get the 1 and 5 here. So oh no guys, we have done a small mistake here. 1575 minus 4.4. 10 minus 4 is 6, and here we have 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We have 7, we have 5, and we have, which is equal to 1570.6 by 3 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the wood we required, which is asked in the question. Let us try to cancel them. 3 5s are 15, and we get 3 2s are 6, and we get 10 3s are 0.5s are and 3s are, and we get the volume of the wood as 5 to 3.53 centimeter cube. Now let's check the answer given in the NCERT class 10 textbook. It's exercise 13.2, fourth sum. So check the fourth sum solution. As you can see here, 532.53 centimeter cube, and that's the answer we got here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video by learning some math here. Please subscribe to Math Tekken and like the video if you have learned something, and please share it so that I get a more response from you guys and become popular. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video.